Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is a decimal number? Definition of decimal number is a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by decimal point. Decimal point. What is a decimal or what is a decimal number? A number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point. This is definition of decimal number. For example, we have a number, suppose 3.7. 3.7. This part is called whole part, whole number part, and this part is called fractional number part, and the dot is called decimal point. So what is a decimal number? A number whose whole part and fractional part is separated by decimal point or dot. Decimal point or dot. This whole number is called decimal number. A decimal number have two number. One is whole number part and other is fractional part, and both are separated by a dot or a decimal point. This is a simple definition of a decimal number. What is a decimal or what is a decimal number? A number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by. Let's look another example. Suppose 11.34 is a decimal number. Here this part is called whole part, this part is called fractional part, and this dot is called decimal point. Decimal point. So decimal number is a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Okay, separated by a decimal point. So this is a decimal number whose one part is whole number part and other part is fractional part, and this both part is separated by a decimal point. What is a decimal number system? A decimal number system or base 10 system. What is a decimal number system or base 10 system? This system is based on 10 number. Okay, based on 10 numbers, which is from 0 to 9. And one is another system which is called binary system, which is based on 2 number, and this is 0 and 1. So Decimal number system is based on 10 number from 0 to 9. This is based, and binary system are based on two numbers, which is 0 and 1. Now place of value in decimal. Place of value in decimal mean in decimal number there is two part. One is called whole number part and other is called fractional part. From the point leftward, this is right. So for example, let's suppose 6, 60 and 600. This place is called one place. This is called tens place, and this is called 100 place. 100 place. Same here from point to right, 0.6 or 0.06. This is called tenth, and this is called 100. Place. Okay. From point to, this is decimal point. Here for example 11. So 11 from in decimal number from point and left, the number is greater from 1. Here is the number whose value is greater than 1, and this value is fractional part, so this value will be less than 1. This value will be less, suppose 34, so this value will be less than 1. So in decimal number, places of value in decimal number from point. This first number is called 1, and this is whole part of number fraction, so this will be greater than 1. Second number is 1/10, tens होगा, and third one is 100, hundreds. And here this is decimal point. Left is greater than 1 and right is less than 1. This first number is called tenth. Second number is called 100. Okay, so places and value in decimal number. In left from decimal point is whole number of fractions, so this will be greater than 1 and this will be less than 1. First number in whole part is called 1, second is tens, third is 100. And here first number is tenth, second number is 100. Okay, so this is places of value in decimal number.